Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to Easy English Conversations, Episode 5. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly, using very simple and easy words, so that everyone can understand. Today, we are going to the market. You will learn how to buy fruits and vegetables using basic English. This is great for beginners who want to practice real-life English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
In this episode, you will learn simple and useful English for shopping at the market. You will listen to two short and easy dialogues between a customer and a shopkeeper. The conversations include words like vegetables, tomatoes, onions, spinach, and phrases like how much, I'll take. In total, here you are. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their speaking and listening skills in real-life situations. Listen slowly, repeat the words, and practice speaking English with confidence. Before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out any future videos. If you want to become fluent in English faster, do all the exercises and download the PDF for this lesson from the website. Now let's begin.
A woman goes to buy fruits from the market. Hello, good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? I want to buy some fruits. How much are the apples? They're $2 per kilogram. Okay, I'll take 1 kilogram, please. Sure. Anything else? Yes, how much are the bananas? Bananas are $1 per kilogram. Great, I'll take 2 kilograms of bananas. Here you go. That's 2 kilograms of bananas and 1 kilogram of apples. How much in total? That will be $4, please. Here you are. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of English for Everyone. Today, I have prepared something very useful and practical for those of you who want to improve your English in everyday situations, especially when you go shopping to the market. You will learn how to buy vegetables in English. First, you will listen to two short conversations between a shop assistant and customers. Then you will practice these dialogues by repeating them. We will analyze each word and phrase, and I will teach you some extra vocabulary that will help you to understand the conversations better. Finally, you will download the PDF file with all the vocabulary, grammar rules, and exercises from the website. As I said before, today we will learn how to buy vegetables in English. So let's see the most common vegetables and how to say them in English. We need a knife to cut vegetables. A knife, a big one, please. Would you like a big knife? Yes, I would. Okay, here you are. Thank you. Do you have a smaller one? Yes, I do. It's over there? Thank you. Now let's see some vegetables. I have an apple. Let's start with an apple. It's a fruit, not a vegetable. Oh, sorry. Do you have carrots? Yes, I do. They're over there. Could you show me some potatoes? Sure, they're over there. I only have small ones. Do you have big ones? Sorry, I don't. Only these small ones. What about onions? Yes, I do. They're over there. I need a big onion. Okay, do you have celery? Yes, I do. It's over there. I also have broccoli, grating cauliflower. Wow, that's amazing. Cabbage is over there. I need a green one. Do you have peppers? Yes, I do. They're over there. Red ones or green ones? Green, please. Do you have cucumbers? Sure, they're over there. What about spinach? Yes, I do. It's over there. And finally, do you have tomatoes? Yes, I do. They're over there. That's great. So let's begin with our first conversation. Customer, good morning. Shopkeeper, good morning. Customer, I would like to buy some vegetables, please. Shopkeeper, sure. What vegetables do you need? Customer, I need a kilo of potatoes. Please. Shopkeeper, sure. Here you are. Customer, also, could you show me the onions? Shopkeeper, of course. They're over there, customer. Okay, I'll take this one. Shopkeeper, anything else? Customer, yes. I would also like to buy half a kilo of tomatoes. Shopkeeper, sure. Here you are. Customer, thank you. How much is everything, shopkeeper? Let me just check. Everything is $3. Customer, that's fine. Here you are. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye, shopkeeper. See you next time. Bye.
Vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Vegetables. Vegetables. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Onions. Onions. Spinach. Spinach. Bunch. Bunch. Kilogram. Kilogram. Half a kilogram. Half a kilogram. Fresh. Fresh. Enough. Enough. Market. Market. Fruits. Fruits. Apples. Apples. Bananas. Bananas.
let's have a look at this conversation. I would like to buy some vegetables, please. I would like to buy some vegetables, please. This is the polite way to start the conversation. To buy some vegetables means that you want to buy one or more vegetables. For example, I would like to buy some apples, some oranges, some bananas, etc. By the way, you can use this sentence to ask for other things like food or clothes. My grandma would like to buy some new clothes. Would you like to buy some chocolate? Let me know in the comments, what would you like to buy? Some vegetables? Please. Notice the pronunciation of some. When we put some before the noun, we don't pronounce the S. We just say some. Next, the shopkeeper asks, what vegetables do you need? He wants to know which vegetables you want to buy. Then the customer says, I need a kilo of potatoes, please. I need a kilo of potatoes, please. We use a kilo to measure the weight of vegetables, fruits, and other things. We also use a kilo, 2 kilos, bags of potatoes, kilos of meat, kilos of bread, etc. 1 kilo is equal to 2.2 pounds. Now you know how much is 1 kilo. The next vegetable is onions. Could you show me the onions? Could you show me the onions? Could you show me the onions? This is a polite way to ask someone to show you something. Please, please, please. When we want to be more polite, we can add please after the word could. Could you show me the onions? Please. Okay, now the shopkeeper says, of course. They're over there. Of course. They're over there. Of course. This is a reply when we want to be polite and helpful. Sure is another option you can use instead of course. The next part of the conversation is, okay, I'll take this one. Okay, I'll take this one. When we find something we want, we can say, I'll take it, means I want it. For example, I'll take this bag, I'll take this one, I'll take these shoes, I'll take these, I want them. Another thing you can say is, okay, I'll take it. Is that okay? After you choose the product, the seller usually asks, is that okay? To confirm if you want to buy that product, or if you want to keep looking. Then the customer says, also, could you show me the tomatoes? Also, could you show me the tomatoes? Also, could you show me the tomatoes? Also means, in addition, or additionally. We use also to add something to what we said before. For example, I like pizza, I also like pasta. I like pizza, I also like pasta. Additionally, I also like ice cream. Could you show me the tomatoes? Please. This is the same question as before. Could you show me the tomatoes? Please. The shopkeeper replies, sure, they're over there. Then the customer buys half a kilo of tomatoes. Half is the opposite of a whole. Half is 1 part of 2 equal parts. Half a kilo, half a meter, half an hour, etc. To buy half a kilo of tomatoes means the customer wants to buy 1 part of 2 equal parts of tomatoes. Next, the customer asks, how much is everything? How much is everything? How much is everything? How much is everything? When we want to know the price of several products, we can say, how much is everything? How much is everything? Or we can say, how much is it? How much is it? This sentence is used when we want to know the price of one product. The shopkeeper replies, let me just check. Let me just check. Let me just check. This is the polite way to say, let me check quickly, or let me check the prices quickly. Before giving you the total price, the shopkeeper checks the price of each product. He wants to make sure he's not making a mistake. Then he tells the customer, everything is $3. Everything is $3. Everything is $3. This is the total price of all the products. If the customer wants to buy all the products, he must pay $3. Finally, the customer says, that's fine. Here you are. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye. That's fine. Here you are. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye. When you want to say goodbye, you can use different expressions. See you later. See you soon. See you next time. Goodbye. Bye. These are all good options. And now let's listen to the second dialogue. Customer, hello shopkeeper, hello customer. I'd like to buy some vegetables.
I need some vegetables, please.
Of course. What would you like?
I want some tomatoes and onions.
Sure. How many tomatoes?
1 kilogram, please.
And how many onions?
Half a kilogram is enough.
Okay. Do you want anything else?
Yes, do you have fresh spinach?
Yes, I do. It's very fresh today.
Great. I'll take 1 bunch, please.
No problem. That's 1 kilogram of tomatoes, half a kilogram of onions, and 1 bunch of spinach.
Yes, thank you. How much is that?
It's $3, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye. Phrases. Listen and repeat. How much? How much?
I'll take. I'll take.
Anything else? Anything else?
In total. In total.
Here you are. Here you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
You too. You too.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Sure. Sure. Of course. Of course.
No problem. No problem.
Got it. Got it.
That's all. That's all.
What do you need? What do you need?
How can I help you? How can I help you?
If you want to practice your pronunciation and speaking skills, you can use this dialogue to practice with a friend or family member. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. As I said before, you can download the PDF for this lesson from the website. I put a link in the description below. The PDF includes the vocabulary list, grammar rules, exercises, and the full dialogues from the lesson. If you have any questions about the lesson, leave them in the comments below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you liked this lesson, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us grow, and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.